Man, absolutely love that background. Gee, that shit is neat. Whew. Okay, guys, let's talk about some crucial things that I absolutely wish somebody told me before I started streaming. I found out the hard way, but I'm gonna explain it to you guys so you don't have to find it out yourself. Let's hit it. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is the sentence streaming less will help you grow. Think about it. Streaming less will help you grow. Or you can also see it as when you're live, you're not really growing. You know, if somebody told me, hey, you need to stream less, become bigger, to grow quicker, I was like, shut up, dude. What do you know about streaming? You know what I mean? I understand. Let's think about it. I know guys who start their streaming career and they are like, hey, I'm gonna stream as much as I can, as many times, as many evenings as I can. And man, I want to get the hours in. I want to grind that stream, guys. 5 to 7 days a week. Boom, going all in. That's perfect, man. If you're happy with that, please go. That's absolutely perfect. But if you really want to try and grow a community, that's not gonna help you. Streaming 5 to 7 days a week, guys, I would urge you to stop it right now. It's not gonna help you at all. The only thing what it's gonna do with you guys is you're gonna get tired, you're gonna lose your motivation, you're gonna lose your spirits, and you're just gonna back out. You're just gonna stop along the way like so many other guys did before you. So take my advice, guys. Stream less. Stream less. Okay. What do I do with my time, Wolf? You're telling me to stream less? What do I do? What do I do to grow? Guys, make online content. I know there's a lot of guys out there, a lot of online content creators talking about, hey, how do you grow your channel? How do you grow a community? Take Harris Heller, for example, Alpha Gaming. That guy is an absolute legend. Let me tell you guys, if you don't know him, go check him out right now. He's a god, man. In my opinion, he's an absolute god. He talks about his stuff all the time, and one of his things that he talks about is make online content. When you are just streaming, you're not putting yourself out there in the world. People are not really gonna discover you by just streaming. You need to make online content. You need to show people what, you know, you need to show people different things, right? You need to show them clips of you doing funny stuff, or you make some online content about something you really adore doing in life. Just publish yourself out there on different sort of platforms. I'm talking about YouTube. I'm talking about Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit. There's so many platforms, guys. You can go on right now and publish clips of yourself, or make a series on things you like to talk about. Make a cooking show. I don't care. Whatever makes you feel comfortable. You know what I mean? It's really, really gonna help you grow, guys. It's really, really gonna find those viewers you've been looking for. Stream less and start doing something different with your time. Start making online content. You know, the biggest advantage, I think, about making online content and publish it on something like YouTube is you're growing while you're sleeping. When you're live on Twitch, you know, of course, people can, you know, come into your stream and they hit the follow button and they just, you know, they interact with you guys. Of course, that's awesome. But what about the days you're not live? What about the times you cannot stream? What happens then when you're just active on Twitch? What happens? Let me tell you guys, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing will happen. People will not go to your Twitch page when you're not live, but people will go to your YouTube page when you're not live. You know what I mean? You feel me? Make online content, guys, about something you aspire by, something you love, something you adore, something you saw another streamer do. I don't really know. Whatever makes you feel comfortable, whatever you enjoy, people will want to watch it. That is gonna blow you up. That's really gonna help you grow, guys. Let's move over to number 2, guys. Number 2 is, should you stream with a camera? Should you use a camera while streaming? So this is a question I got asked a lot Often of times people ask me, hey Wolf, what do I do? Is it gonna help me? What do? I don't know. I don't really feel comfortable with it, blah blah blah. So what I say to them is it gonna help you? Yes and no. Let me explain. If you are somebody who is very shy, very uncomfortable behind a camera, I would say please don't do it. Just build your stream a little bit, build your confidence in streaming before putting yourself live to a camera. You know, let yourself grow first, right? Let you get used to streaming, interacting with people without letting them see your expressions. The reason why I'm telling you guys this is because we are a mirror, right? We reflect how we feel. So if you have a bad day, or you feel uncomfortable, or you're shy, or something like that, and even if you do try to hide it away, your viewers are gonna notice it. Your viewers are gonna, maybe unconsciously, picking up something like, something's off here, something doesn't really fit. It could be that you're just very nervous, very uncomfortable, and they will definitely feel it. So if you're somebody who is uncomfortable, shy, doesn't really know what to do on camera, doesn't really like the idea of people watching him constantly, just don't do it, guys. Just wait with the camera, buy a good microphone, and just, you know, talk to the viewers. That's gonna help you out a lot already. But guys, for you who are not shy, uncomfortable, who, you know, for all those guys, all those people out there, I would urge you guys to do it. Because when your viewers see yourself, see your, you know, your face, your expressions, the way you move, the way you talk, everybody has a different sort of style, you know what I mean? It's gonna be so interactive for the viewers. Do some stupid things on stream, you know what I mean? If you want to stream, you want to take it seriously, and you're not scared of it, just put a camera there, man. You don't really need the expensive one. Just buy a Logitech C922 or whatever is the webcam, you know what I mean? Just buy a decent cam, and, you know, just put it live there. Have some fun with the viewers, man. They're gonna absolutely love it. Okay, let's move over to number 3, guys. Number 3 is interaction with your viewers is key in streaming. I know this is, for some people, this is like, what are you talking about? Of course. But trust me, man, there are so many streamers out there. I don't know what they're doing. And to God, honest truth, I don't know what they're doing. Did you ever notice scrolling down Twitch and you're like, hey, let's check this guy. Let's see what he's doing. You click on him. You even give him a follow or type something, hey, how you doing?
5 minutes later. 5 hours later. 1 eternity later.
Why are you streaming? What's your point in streaming if you don't want to interact with your viewers, right? They're sitting there grinding a game, and that's the only thing they do. Let me stop it right there on that note. If you are one of the best gamers in the world, if you are that second shroud with an auto aim assist or something like that, if you are one of those guys, please don't interact with your stream and focus on your gameplay. But for everybody else in the world out there, like myself, please, guys, put effort in your stream, man. People are spending their free time, spending their precious time they can spend on something else, watching your stream, watching you do your thing online. Time is so important in life, and they are just giving it to you, man. To do with it what you want. Interact with it, guys. Ask your viewers how they are. Tell them something about your life or what you're doing right now or stuff like that. Just try to get a conversation with them. Try to get to know them at least, right? I mean, they want to get to know you because they're watching your stream. So they're like, hey, who is this guy, right? You know, he seems cool. Let's have a chat. Interact with your viewers, guys. Do you know how crazy it is for a viewer when you are doing your thing, you're gaming, you're popping off, and somebody's typing something in chat, and you are like, you stop like your game or whatever you're doing at that moment, and you're like, hey, you, thanks so much, man, for that question. You know what? This and this and this and this and that. You know what I mean? You answer that question, and you absolutely taking your time for it. Do you know how mind-blowing that is for a lot of people? that you as a streamer taking your time to give it back to a specific viewer, that's for a lot of people, guys, is mind-blowing. Even if you're a small streamer, just taking that time and put it into somebody, it's really gonna move mountains for them. You know what I mean? They're gonna come back. They are gonna come back on their rate of interaction. I have to say honestly, guys, I was actually not expecting to already have a video about 50 minutes me talking. So I don't want to make this last topic too long. I'm just gonna try and make it shorter. I actually need to work on me talking less and make it straight to the point. I will get there, chat. I will get there, guys. I will get there. It will take some time, but I will get there. But let's talk about this last one I want to talk about. I feel it's a very big question or topic. So I'm just gonna basically explain it. And if you want to know more, or you're like, hey, can you explain this in more details or stuff like that? What do you exactly mean? Just, you know, ask me in the comment section. Just ask me in the comment section, and I would love to answer that. So the last thing I want to talk about is affiliation on Twitch. So for a lot of new streamers, when you are starting your stream career and you're like, hey, affiliation, it's only, you know, a few steps I need to reach until I become an affiliate. Affiliate, you will grind money, you will do this, you will do that, bam, bam, bam. You know, the only thing you see is dollar signs everywhere. Dollar signs, affiliate. You know what I mean? I talk about experience, right? You just this first goal you want to reach is affiliate, just because you can get subs, you can get donations, biddies, everything. You know what I mean? So, but I wanna talk to you guys about maybe don't accept the affiliation as soon as you can. So, what I mean by that is, when I started streaming, I was multi-platform streaming on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook. I streamed on every platform at the same time, just to get just to get as many viewers on my streams as possible at the same time. If you just stream on Twitch, only people from Twitch will come to your stream. If you just stream on YouTube, only people from YouTube will come to your stream. So I tried to really, you know, multi-platform stream as long as I could, to get, you know, a lot of viewers. And because I noticed when I was multi-platform streaming, I was getting messages on YouTube, on Twitch, on Facebook, and I was like, hey guys, you know, my main channel is Twitch, maybe come over there, you know, stuff like that. Try to get them into one place, but you reach out to different people. So with this said, when you hit affiliation on Twitch, you cannot multi-platform stream anymore. You sign a contract with Twitch. It's saying that if you stream on Twitch, you need to wait 24 hours to publish that stream on a different platform. So this means you will never be able to multi-platform stream at the same time as you stream on Twitch. And that's kind of a big deal in my opinion, especially for small streamers, because when you're small, you need every source of discoverability in there, right? You need to reach out to every aspect of discoverability, or it will just take you a lot longer to grow. So I think it's important to really think about accepting this affiliation program in the beginning. What I would have done is I would have probably waited like, let's say like 2 months or something, 2 to 3 extra months, and just to see how the multi-platform stream is treating me. Because maybe, just maybe, you are a kind of streamer which people on YouTube absolutely adore to watch. But people on Twitch, not so much. I've known streamers who started on Twitch and they were like, fuck, this is not working, man. I'm getting no views, I'm getting no followers, no subs. I'm just gonna switch to YouTube. They go on YouTube, bomb. They accelerate, they grow, discoverability is bigger. So it's from streamers to streamer related, which platform is good for you. Just test your waters in every platform. Don't go too quickly on, hey, you know, I'm gonna be on Twitch, affiliate, boom, accept, let's go. I would suggest you to not do that. You can find a lot of information online why affiliation is not a very good choice to do in the beginning. You know, take it very personal. You just do what feels good for you. Okay, that's the most important thing here. The thing you need to know about affiliation, once you reached it, they cannot really take it away from you again. So as long as you reach the quotums, and they are pretty easy to reach, guys, they're pretty easy. when you reach it, they will not take it back from you. So you will have all the time in the world to like, hey, I'm gonna accept it now. You know, we did our best on the other platforms. Let's just accept it now. So take your time. Really think about what you want to do, what sort of streamer you want to become. And if you're just doing it for the money, hit the affiliation program instantly. And I would suggest you to stop streaming altogether. Because in my opinion, streaming for the money is just wrong. It's just not the correct way to do it. Not the correct motivation. But again, you do what you feel comfortable with. But I think streaming is more than just earning money. So this is it, guys. Hey, I'm sorry. I need to work on making my content less long and to the point. I'll be working on it, but it will be at some point, man. I will have golden videos, man. Golden videos. So guys, I hope I helped some of you guys with some insight on what to do and what not to do. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comment section. Fuck's sake, I keep forgetting that word. Please hit me up in the comment section. And I would love to answer everyone's questions. I will also read every question there and every comment. So thank you so much for the for support and the progress. And hey, if you guys enjoy, I know everybody's asking it, but it helps so freaking much, guys. You have no idea. For you, it's just a click, but for me or for us, it's a huge deal. Hit that notification bell so you're up to date when I upload a new video. Please hit that subscribe button on YouTube, guys. It will help the world to me, man. Hit that subscribe button on YouTube. And I hope to see you guys again in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are legends. Welcome to the Wolfpack. Peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.